This video, we're going to walk through a simple way to bring more value to your guests by setting up some added services and options. With the Hostco and Hospitable working together, you'll be able to give your guests a little extra convenience that makes their visit even better. Let's get started. All right, so to kick things off, you'll want to log into your Hospitable account. Once you're in, head over to the integrations page. You'll see a title for the Hostco. Go ahead and click Get Started. This will open up the Hostco site so you can connect the accounts. If you're new to the Hostco, you'll just follow the prompts and create a free account. And if you're already set up, just log in. Once you're in, Hospitable will automatically connect with the Hostco, pulling in your properties so you can start creating these great experiences for your guests. Now that you're all connected, the Hostco will generate a digital store for each of your properties. Here's where you can get creative and customize or add options that make each stay unique. Think services like mid-stay cleaning, private dining, or even local tour packages. This is your chance to give guests those extra touches they'll remember. Once your stores are ready, go into each property store on the Hostco and click Share Store. Copy the unique link for each property. This is what guests will use to explore those extras you've set up. Now we'll bring it back to Hospitable. Find the matching property for the store link you just copied. Go to Details and scroll to the Amenities section. Just paste that link and save. Do this for each property so they're all set with their own custom options. Finally, let's make sure your guests know about these new options. Go to Guest Experience in Hospitable, then over to Messaging Rules. Choose which messages you want to include the link in, like the booking confirmation or a check-in reminder. Use the upsell shortcode in the message and add a little note about what's available. Maybe something like, interested in a private chef or local experiences? Check out our options here, and then the upsell code. Save it and you're all set. With the Hostco and Hospitable working together, you're giving guests an easy way to add a little something extra to their stay. For more help, both Hospitable and the Hostco have great support resources. Thanks for watching.